If you're watching this video, you probably already heard the news. Google My Business is closing down soon, and it seems like their users are left on their own. But no need to panic, as Hostinger is here to help. If you're looking for a straightforward website migration option, then follow along as I'll show you how to save all of your hard work that you put in your website. Google is planning to shut down all websites made with Google Business Profiles effective from March 2024. Okay, but why should I care? And how would it affect my business, you ask? If you've created a website using the data generated from your Google Business Profile, you should be concerned about this change. While this won't have any impact on your Google Business Profile itself, it will affect the website you created with it. If you're not sure whether or not you've created a website with Google, open your business profile and click the website button. If your domain ends with business.site or negocio.site, your website will potentially be closed down. Furthermore, during the whole transition period until the 10th of June 2024, Google will redirect visitors back to your Google Business Profile. In other words, visitors won't be able to access detailed information about your company, products, and services stated on the website. And once this period ends, this redirect will result in a 404 error page, as your site will be non-existent. Not a great way to start the new year, I know. If not taken care of in time, this error page might give a false impression that your business is no longer active, damaging your online reputation and the SEO rankings you worked so hard for. Eventually, this scenario will hinder your business growth in the long term, as you might drastically shorten your conversion rate and, worst of all, revenue. For this reason, transferring your site to another platform is not only a strategic move, but a crucial one to maintain your brand's reputation. While Google currently doesn't offer a built-in transfer feature, fortunately, migrating your site to Hostinger is a simple process even if you don't have any prior technical website creation skills. Starting at under $3 a month, our hosting plans let you launch your business website hassle-free. In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can migrate your online business profile with Hostinger Website Builder. So let's start by setting everything up for a smooth transition process. Generally, transferring a website requires data transfer from the previous host to the new one. Since there's no such feature from Google, you'll need to collect your site's data by hand. If you save the whole website data, such as your site's logo, images, and all of the written content in a separate file, then you're practically ready for the migration process. Otherwise, you need to download all of the content and media files from your website into your computer's internal storage or cloud storage, such as Microsoft OneDrive or Google Drive. Since Google Business Profile doesn't provide an export feature like I said before, you should simply copy and paste your content into a separate document and download the media files. That might take some time, but we're working with what we got here. Okay, next, think about your website structure and how you want the layout to look. I recommend outlining which pages you want to display on the site. Moreover, consider adding extra features to encourage visitor engagement and streamline the sales conversion rates. To optimize your site for search engines and generate more traffic, you can conduct keyword research. This way you'll get a list of keywords to incorporate into your site's content and meta tags. Lastly, if you already have a custom domain name connected to your Google website, you'll need to prepare access to your domain account for domain settings, renewals, or DNS configurations. Once you have these factors sorted, it's time to perform the migration process. Hostinger Website Builder is our very own in-house website creation tool that caters to users of all skill levels. Thanks to a whole library of advanced built-in AI solutions and our user-friendly features, Hostinger Website Builder is ideal for building all types of websites. Best of all, you can build a site in just a few minutes. All you need to do afterward is to tweak your content to fit your brand, spicing it up to your preference. It's as easy as setting up a Google Business Profile, don't you think? Feel free to try out our website builder, as we do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee policy. Sounds good so far? Awesome. Let's move on. Okay, go to hostinger.com and choose Website Builder from the menu. Or simply click the link in the description below, your choice. Click Claim Deal, then Add to Cart. Let's choose the 48th month subscription plan, as you'll get the best deal, and it's a perfect pick if you're worried about forgetting to renew your subscription. Enter your email address in order to create an account, or simply use a social media login button if you're using a Google account. Choose a payment method, fill in all the required information, and don't forget to use the coupon code WB10 to get an additional 10% discount. Finish the payment process and you'll be redirected to the initial setup page. Once you're there, click Start Now. Hit create a new website and select the hosting or AI builder. You'll see a message asking you to create a domain name. If you already own one on another registrar, choose use an existing domain. Then you'll begin the process of pointing your domain name to Hostinger. In case you still don't have a custom domain name, you'll get one for a whole year for free alongside your newly purchased hosting plan. If you still don't have any domain name ideas in mind, simply skip this step by hitting choose a domain later. Now, you can build a website using two methods, using our AI website builder or leveraging one of our designer-made website templates. While both options will give you a complete mobile responsive design, not to mention a seamless website creation process, this time I'll demonstrate how to do it using our AI-based toolkit. So here we go. First, click Start Creating. Fill in your business name and choose Business Showcase as your website type. If you wish to accommodate transactions on your website, you can choose another type like online store or landing page. Now here, describe your business with as much detail as possible. For example, you can state your company's mission, background story, or physical location. You don't need to be super precise. You can even express how you wish your customers to feel while browsing your website, and the AI will do the rest. Once you see that the indication bar is green, that means your description is great and you're ready to hit that Create a Website button. In less than a minute, the AI will finish its magic to create your online business profile. Browse through the website and review its overall layout. If it doesn't feel right to you, go back to the initial site generator page and redo the whole process once more. You'll get another AI-generated website version afterward. If this time the results match your preference, you can enter the full edit mode by clicking here. You should see a website setup checklist like this to help you navigate the initial website configuration process. Basically, it's a guide to help you tweak your website content and make sure you won't miss anything important. At this stage, you can change the AI-generated text, images, and business logo with the one you downloaded from your previous site. If you want to add or remove web pages to match your perfect website structure, do so by going to Pages and Navigation. Here you can tweak your website's page placement along with configuring each page's settings. When you're done editing the website, click this preview button to see how it looks. You'll see that both the desktop and mobile versions are available for preview. Simply click these icons to switch between the two modes. Once you're satisfied with how your website looks, hit the Go Live button to publish the site. And that's it, your website is now live and ready. But just a quick reminder, if you skipped choosing a domain name earlier, don't forget to connect a custom domain name. And once you publish your website, you'll be kindly prompted to do so. Trust me when I say that nobody wants to remember your site's IP address in order to visit your website. After all, you're a professional, right? Anyway, once you complete all these steps, your migrated website will be accessible from a web browser using your custom domain name. Awesome. Now let's promote that shiny new website of yours on Google Business Profile. Now that you've successfully migrated your website under Google, you need to change your website information if you want to get noticed. Log into your Business Profile Manager account and hit Edit Profile. Find the website section under the Contact tab, then click this pencil-shaped icon to update your site's URL. Hit Save once you're done, and that completes the site migration process. Now you can rest assured visitors will be redirected to your brand new website once they're on your Google Business Profile. We've successfully migrated your Google My Business website to Hostinger using the website builder and saved it from a perilous fate. Okay, let me know your thoughts on this and don't hesitate to ask further questions in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, give us some love by giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss more handy video tutorials as we upload new videos every single week. Thank you for watching and good luck on your online journey.